Hey guys, hi, hello, namaste, adab, sat sri akal, assalamu alaikum, vanakkam and khamma to all of you. Welcome to today's class, and as you all know, this is a sprint tech series for CBSE grade 10th. And all right, and today we are talking about the topic coordinate geometry. So as you know, we have finished the topic triangles in the previous class, and today we are starting with coordinate geometry. So we'll be talking about distance formula, section formula, midpoint formula, and centroid of a triangle. These are the four particular topics. So distance formula, as all of you know, is nothing but square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Right? This is your distance formula when the points are x1, when the distance between point x1 y1 and x2 y2 is asked. Then section formula is m into x2 plus n into x1 divided by m plus n will be the x coordinate, and y coordinate will be m into y2 plus n into y1 divided by m plus n, where one point is x1, where one point is x1 comma y1, the other point is x2 comma y2. Okay, distance formula, I think you were not able to see this. All right, so distance formula is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Section formula, if one point is x2 comma y1, other is x2 comma y2, and in between we have a point P, let's say, whose coordinates we need to find out x comma y, and point P divides this line in the ratio m is to n. AP is to PB is m is to n, then the coordinates x coordinate of point P will be m into x2 plus n into x1 divided by m plus n, and y coordinate of this point P will be m into y2 plus n into y1 divided by m plus n. So we do this cross multiplier. This section formula, my advice to all my students is always that whenever you are using section formula, try to use, what do we call it? Say, draw the diagram. After that, application of formula becomes easy. M into x2, n into x1. Otherwise, you'll be like, which one is x1, which one is x2? That becomes sometimes confusing. All right. Midpoint formula comes from section formula only. Suppose this point P is the midpoint. A is x1 comma y1, B is x2 comma y2, and let's say the point P is midpoint. So we know the ratio will be 1 is to 1. So if we apply the same formula, x coordinate of point P will be x1 plus x2 by 2, and y coordinate will be y1 plus y2 by 2. Alright, and centroid of a triangle is x coordinate for that is x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, and y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. This is the formula for the centroid of a triangle. X coordinate is this, y coordinate is this. When the three vertices of a triangle is x1, y1, x2, y2, and x3, y3. Okay? And centroid is nothing but the intersection point of all the three medians. The point where all the three medians intersect is called your centroid. Okay, beta? So these are your formulas, and we'll be solving questions related to today's class. Okay. Before I move ahead, guys, you can look at the schedule right now. So this is a schedule over here. 26th October, we'll be talking about coordinate geometry. Then two sessions we have: introduction to trigonometry, part 1, part 2, in two ways. In two parts, I'll be doing it. Then we have areas related to circles and probability. Okay. Every day, 6 p.m. whole term 1 syllabus. All the term 1 topics we have completed for the grade for maths for grade 10. Okay. You can same way see the schedule for physics, for chemistry, for biology, for SST, and for English. Okay. All the all the sessions schedule is already given to you. So just make the note of these schedules and follow all the classes. All right. And also, please don't forget to like this video, because you know all the term 1 preparation we are doing it over here free of cost, and all the important questions we are dealing with over here. So definitely subscribe to this if you have not yet, because every day we are coming with new classes. All right. So this was the homework given to you in the previous class, and this is a little bit difficult question. हल्का सा, मतलब you need to think a lot about this question, that how do you get the hypotenuse. All right. So let's say, guys, we have a triangle. So over here, say A, B, and hypotenuse is C. First thing, the area of a right angle triangle is 40 square centimeter. So half into base into height. So half into base into height, B into A or A into B, is equal to 40 centimeter square. Right? So if I shift 2 over there, we'll get first value A into B is equal to 2 into 40 is 80. This is my first equation. Alright. Perimeter is 40 centimeter. Perimeter is sum of all the three sides. So A plus B plus C is equal to 40. This is my second equation. And now we need to find out the value of hypotenuse. That means we need to find out C. So by doing something we need to do so that we can find out the value of C. Now see, one more relationship we have. We have one more relationship, and that is Pythagoras theorem. C square is equal to A square plus B square. These are three equations. So we have three variables, three equations. Definitely we can find out the values. We can find it out. So let's first start with the equation with, let's say, A plus B plus C. So from here I can say, sir, value of C can be written as 40 minus of A plus B. I'm keeping A plus B in bracket. So this negative stands for both. A will become minus A, B will become minus B. Negative taken common, 40 minus A plus B. Okay. Next thing what to do? So next thing, guys, I saw, sir, here we have C. Here we have C. Here we have 40 minus A plus B. I have one equation in the form of C square. I have one equation in the form of C square. So let us create C square. And that we can do by doing the square on both the sides of the equation. Square both the sides of this equation. So when you'll do that, you'll be getting C square is equal to 40 square A square plus the other part B square. So A plus B whole square minus of 2 into 40 into A plus B. Simple है, clear logic. चलो अब देखो बेटा, C square I can write it as A square plus B square. C square is nothing but equal to A square plus B square. So I can say A square plus B square is equal to 40 square is 1600 plus A plus B whole square will be A square plus B square plus 2AB. Now minus 2 into 40 is minus 80, minus into A is minus 80, minus 80A, or we can do one thing, we can keep it as, so minus 80 and minus 80 we will make it. Let's see. Minus of 80 into A plus B. ठीक है बेटा. Now one more thing we know, here A into B is 80. A into B is 80, so I'm writing it over here. So we have A square plus B square is equal to 1600 plus A square plus B square plus 2 into AB is equal to 80, minus of 80 times of A plus B. ठीक है बच्चों. Now let's do the cancellation, simplify this. So we have A square plus B square is equal to 1600 plus A square plus B square. 2 into 80 is plus 160 minus of 80 times of A plus B. So here we have A square to A square got cancelled, B square to B square got cancelled. 1600 plus 160 and shift minus of 80 into A plus B over here. So it will become 80 times of A plus B is equal to 1600 plus 160 will be 0, 6, 1760. So A plus B will be equal to 1760 upon 80. This to this got cancelled. 8 to the 16. Remainder 1. Again 8 to the 16. We got A plus B as 22. ठीक है बच्चों. Relationship we have got is A plus B is equal to 22. What is my main goal? My main goal is to find out C. Let's find out C over here. We know A plus B plus C is equal to 180. Sorry, 40 perimeter. So A plus B plus C is equal to 40. A plus B is 22 plus C is equal to 40. From here you'll get C is equal to what? 18. That's your answer. C is equal to 18. That's for your answer, hypotenuse. ठीक है, pause this video over here, see all the relation. Main thing is, as I have got c is equal to 40 minus a plus b, to get c square I have done the square on both the sides. After that simply solve it, nothing else. Okay, pause this over here, so see the solution once again on your own. All right, clear है बच्चों? चलो, so for 18 centimeter is the correct answer. Very well done to all those students who have given me the correct answer. ठीक है, and remember guys, the future depends on what we do in the present. I have told you again and again, whatever you are doing today will definitely change your future. ठीक है, will definitely uh, make your future more brighter. ठीक है, whatever you are doing today, its impact you'll realize in the future. So make sure that you are utilizing your present to make your future a better future. है ना? Now let's start with some questions. देखो guys, first question. If the point, now again I would like to tell you all, every class I am telling you this thing. Again I'll tell you guys, the best way to look at this section will be what? Sit on a table in a chair, open the laptop or your phone, pause at the moment when I show you a question, solve the question on your own, and then play the video and see whether your solution is correct or not. Match your solution. If it is not correct, see where you have made mistake. So it will be like a test for you, and give yourself marks out of 10, and let me know how many marks you're getting in the comment sections as well. ठीक है, चलो. So the point P6,2 divides the line segment joining A and B in the ratio 3:1. Then the value of y. So it is a direct question of section formula. A is 6,5, B is 4,y, P is dividing into in the ratio 3:1. 3:1. ठीक है, correct है बेटा? A point P divides line segment, then the value of y. So value of y we need to find it out. What we'll do, simply let's apply the section formula for y coordinate of P. So y is equal to m into y2 plus n into y1 divided by m plus n. Cross multiply करना है. Y coordinate of P is 2. 2 is equal to 3 into y is 3y plus 1 into 6 is 6 upon 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 2s are 8 is equal to 3y plus 6. Shift 6 over there. So 3y is equal to 2. Y is equal to 2 by 3. I'm getting 2 by 3. I think there is some issue in the there is some mistake. Point P and point A's x coordinate is same. I think it should be 5,6. Somewhere I have made a mistake. देखो x1 is 6,5, 6,5, 4,y, 4,y, 3 into y plus 1 into 5. Oh no, I have made a mistake in doing the calculation. Yeah. No, everything is correct there. It's my mistake. Because main thing was 1 into 5 I have to do, not 1 into 6. X coordinate I will not multiply, 1 into 5. So it will be 4 2s are 8, 3y plus 5. So 5, 3y is equal to 3, y is equal to 1. Option D, direct formula. ठीक है, option D will be your correct answer. Direct formula हो गया ये तो. ठीक है, next one. The coordinates of a point A on y-axis at a distance of 4 units from x-axis and below it. So देखो, coordinate of a point A on y-axis. The point A is present on the y-axis like this. ठीक है, so obviously option A and option C are wrong. Then it is saying at a distance of 4 units and below x-axis. ठीक है, so let's say it is your x-axis. So below x-axis and at a distance of 4 units, so obviously it is 0, minus 4. 0, minus 4, option D will be your correct answer. If it would have told above, then it will be option B. ठीक है, simple. So remember A and C will be eliminated. Elimination, I have told you. Eliminate the wrong answers. ठीक है. If A, m by 3, 5 is the midpoint of a line segment joining Q and R, ठीक है, then the value of m. So direct use the midpoint formula. X coordinate over here is minus 6. Here x coordinate is minus 2. Actually here you are seeing 2. Negative is printed over here. So it is minus 2. So minus 6 plus minus 2 by 2. x1 plus x2 by 2. है ना? Here x coordinate is m by 3. So we are getting m by 3 is equal to minus 6 minus 2 is minus 8 by 2 is minus 4. M is equal to minus 2. Direct x is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2. By now you must have remembered the formula. ठीक है, अभी भी if you are using a book for say seeing your formula तो it is wrong यार. By now you should remember the formula. ठीक है, चलो next question. If the points A and B are on the circle with center O, है ना, A and B are on the circle with center O, then the value of x. तो बेटा देखो, if I say suppose देखो, I don't know whether A is in the, what many students make the mistake is they use the midpoint formula over here. It is not saying that A and B are on the diameter. Maybe A is over here 4,3 and B is over here like that, right? So I cannot say O is the midpoint. Alright, so if in your mind you were thinking that I use midpoint formula, it will not be a correct way, because it is not necessary that A and B are the diametric end. If I say that A and B are the ends of a diameter, then center will be midpoint and you can use midpoint formula, but not now. Alright, so in this case what we'll say the distance between AO and BO is same because both are representing radius. So we'll make them equidistant. AO is equal to BO. Use distance formula. So I can say square root of 4 minus 2 whole square plus 3 minus 3 whole square. AO, this distance AO, is equal to square root of x minus 2 whole square plus 5 minus 3 whole square. So if we do square on both sides, okay, if we do square on both sides, the square root will be gone. 4 minus 2 is 2, 2 square is 4, 3 minus 3, 0 square is 0 is equal to x minus 2 whole square is x square plus 4x, x square minus x square, what is happening? X square minus 4x plus 4 and 5 minus 3 whole square is what beta? Plus, it is 5 minus 3 is 2. 2 square is 4 again. This to this got cancelled. Right, so again we are left with x square minus 4x plus 4 equal to 0. This is nothing but x minus 2 whole square, right? That means x minus 2 is equal to 0. So x is equal to, right? If x minus 2 is equal, 2 whole square is equal to 0, both the factors are x minus 2 only. So how do we get roots? Make x minus 2 equal to 0. So that means x is equal to 2. Option C will be your correct answer. Okay, solution is over here as well. You can download the notes after some time and you'll be able to see the whole session's question in the form of a PDF as well. Okay, देखो, this is a good question. What this question says, if x minus 2y plus k is a median of this triangle, so it is an equation of a line. Remember that a linear equation into variable represents a straight line. So this is a straight line. Median is a straight line. So in a Cartesian plane, if we have a triangle and if we draw its median, that median will be this line. Okay? So is a median of a triangle whose vertices are A, B and C, then the value of A. Ab dekho beta, if in this triangle, let's say A is minus 1, 3, B is 0, 4 and C is minus 5, 2. They are saying median, one of the median's equation, anyone's median's equation is this x minus 2y plus k. Now the problem is, I don't know whether this median is from the vertex A or passing from the vertex B or passing from vertex C. It is not given. So suppose if it would have given to me that the median passing from the vertex A's equation is x minus 2y plus k, simple thing would be what? Put A's coordinate in the equation. Since the median is passing through A, I can say A's coordinate must satisfy the equation. If it is passing through B, B's coordinate must satisfy the equation. If it is passing through C, C's coordinate must satisfy the equation, because we know all the points on a line satisfies the equation. But here I don't know whether it is passing through with whether it is this median or this median or this median. But the main thing I know is all the medians pass through one point, which is centroid. All the medians pass through one point, which is centroid. Centroid is the intersection point of all the medians. So let's find out the coordinates of the centroid, x1 plus x2 plus x3. So minus 1 plus 0 plus minus 5 whole divided by 3, comma, here 3 plus 4 plus 2 whole divided by 3. So you will be getting centroid as minus 1 minus 5 is minus 6 by 3 is minus 2, and 3 plus 4 7 plus 2 is 9 by 3 is 3. Centroid's coordinate is minus 2 comma 3, and now I know this point is present on median, so it must satisfy this equation. So x minus 2y plus k equal to 0. Put these coordinates over here. Minus 2 into 3 plus k equal to 0. So minus 2 minus 6 plus k equal to 0. You'll get k is equal to 8. Alright. So remember why I have found coordinate of the centroid, because we don't know that whether this median is passing through the point A or the point B or the point C. So only option left is what? Surgery. At the end, we will find out the medians. We will find out the centroids of centroids coordinate, because centroid is always present on the median. Centroid is always present on the median. So all median passes through centroid. So centroid will be satisfying all three equations. Centroid will be the only point which will satisfy the equation of all the three medians. ठीक है? All right, clear है? Let's move ahead. आगे बढ़ते हैं बेटा. अच्छा, now guys, before I move ahead, let me tell you one thing, that if you are facing any issues in your preparation, Vedantu's Pro subscription is the safe course for you, because in this guys, first thing let me tell you, you are getting unlimited classes, and the price of this course is actually really very low right now. And in this 1 month duration, you can give your max. You can like give your best, है ना? You can be the best version of yourself. Definitely going to be a score booster for all of you. So just go to the link which is mentioned in the description box of this video and apply the coupon code GPE Pro, because this is going to get you 10% off, flat 10% off. ठीक है बच्चों, आगे बढ़ते next question. If the line segment joining the points A and B is trisected at the points P and Q, coordinates of the point P will be, देखो अब what they are saying कि A है यहाँ पे and B is over here, and they are trisected by P and Q. Trisected means dividing it into 3 equal parts. AP is equal to PQ is equal to QB. Coordinate of A is 2, 1. Coordinate of B is 5, minus 8. Find out the coordinates of P. So beta P, what for P? Suppose P की coordinate है x, y. So what will be the ratio? I can say ratio of AP is to PB. AP is to PB. Let's say all of them are equal to small d. So it is D, it is 2D. So ratio is what? 1 is to 2. And for Q, the ratio will be 2 is to 1. Okay? So coordinates of P, just do the section formula. 1 is to 2 is the ratio. I can say x coordinate of the point P will be 1 into 5, which is 5, plus 2 into 2 is 4, divided by 1 plus 2, which is 9 by 3, which is equal to 3. Okay? Now directly I can say only B is the answer, because B only has x coordinate as 3, none of other option has the answer. Let's find out y also. Y coordinate, 1 into minus 8 is minus 8, 2 into 1 is plus 2, divided by 1 plus 2, which is minus 6 by 3, which is equal to minus 2. 3, minus 2. ठीक है? Simple. For Q, the ratio will be 2 is to 1. That thing you need to understand. है ना? अब देखो. The value of y is 6, for which the distance between P and Q is 10. So if y becomes 6, distance between P and Q will be 10. So put y as 6. PQ distance कितना हो जाएगा बेटा? It will be 10 minus 2 whole square, plus y is 6 minus 3 is plus 3 whole square. So 10 minus 2 is 8 square, 6 plus 3 is 9 square. तो ये 10 तो नहीं आएगा, है ना? No. Assertion is false. Reason is true. Distance formula है ये तो direct. Assertion is false. Reason is true. Option D will be your correct answer. 6 is not the correct one. 3 होने पे हो जाएगा, है ना? If you solve it, it will be 3, minus 9. अब देखो मेरे को solve तो करना नहीं था, I just have to check whether it is correct or not. So I have only checked it. मैंने solve ही नहीं. I didn't even solve it. I just checked whether y is equal to 6 will satisfy here or not. ठीक है. Otherwise, I can make PQ equal to 10 and solve it for the value of y. If you do that, y will be equal to 3 or minus 9. Okay. ठीक है. Next one. Point minus 1 comma 6 divides the line segment joining the points minus 3 comma 10 and 6 comma minus 8 in the ratio 2:7 internally. ठीक है. Point 1 internally means the normal one. Suppose A and B is the point, P is inside between A and B. Same what we know. So point minus 1 comma 6 divide this line segment in the ratio 2:7. तो solve check कर लो ना बेटा. This is say minus 3 comma 10. ठीक है. Minus 3 comma 10 and here it is 6 comma minus 8 and here the point is, let's say, minus 1 comma 6. They are saying this ratio is 2:7. So if you want, you can find out the ratio as well, or keeping this ratio same, let's find out the ratio m is to n आता है 2:7 or not. ठीक है. So we can take the ratio m is to n. I can say x coordinate minus 1 is equal to m into 6 is 6m plus n into minus 3 is minus 3n divided by m plus n. Shift m plus n over there, minus n is equal to 6m minus 3n. Shift minus n over here, minus 3n over there. 3n minus n is equal to 6m plus m. So 2n is equal to 7m and we'll get m by n is equal to 2:7. The ratio is coming as 2:7. Assertion is correct. The reason is also correct, centroid formula, but obviously not the correct explanation. Centroid, what is the meaning of centroid over here? Yeah, we want the section formula. ठीक है? All right. Okay. Now coming to the case study. देखो case study is comparatively easy, है ना? ठीक है. देखो ध्यान से सुनना बेटा. Resident Welfare Association (RWA) of Gulmohar Society of Delhi. Only मतलब बकवास है यहाँ पे. सुनो आगे. Have installed 3 electric poles A, B, and C. The society's common path. Despite these 3 poles, some parts of the park are still in dark. So RWA decided to have one more electric pole D in the park. The park can be modeled as a coordinate system given below. So, coordinate system we have got, ठीक है, A, B, and C. So main thing, just find out the coordinates of this 3. So A is over here, ठीक है. So it is x coordinate is 2, y coordinate is 7. Don't say कि नहीं सर ये थोड़ा diagram का difference है. Alright, B is over here, which is 6, 6. C is over here, which is 5, 4. A, B, and C's coordinate we have got. D, one more, what do I say? One more pole will also be established over here. First question, what is the distance of the pole from the center O of the path? Center O means what? Origin. Okay, distance of O from the center. This one is easy. This one is easy. Distance formula 6 minus 6 minus 0 whole square plus 6 minus 0 whole square, which is equal to 6√2 units. है ना? Distance from the origin, comparatively easy. Next one देखो, next one is a good one. Find the position of the fourth pole D so that 4 points A, B, C, D form a parallelogram. तो देखो बेटा, अब ये question में A, B, C is given. They are saying where will be the fourth pillar, the fourth pole D should be established such that A, B, C, D forms a parallelogram. अब देखो diagram से तो नहीं समझ में आ रहा भाई कैसे करना है ना? Diagram से तो it is becoming difficult. So how do we know it? कैसे करें इसको? Simple सा logic है भाई. If I make a parallelogram के question में these kind of question are already there in your NCERT. Suppose if we have a parallelogram like this, say A, what is the coordinates of A beta? What is the coordinate of A? A is 2, 7. A is 2, 7. B is 6, 6. C is 5, 4. 5, 4. And D's coordinate we don't know. Let's say xd, yd. That we need to find out. So for the parallelogram, instead of using distance formula making opposite sides equal, the best property to use is that diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. That means for both the parallelograms, let's say to the point P, this point P will be the midpoint of the diagonal AC as well as the diagonal BD. So let's say coordinates of point P is x comma y. A and C's coordinate we know. So using the line AC, I can say x coordinate of the point P will be 2 plus 5. X1 plus x2 by 2, which is 7 by 2. And y coordinate of the point P will be 2 plus 5 and 7 plus 4 over here by 2, which is equal to 11 by 2. So the coordinates of point P we have got it as 7 by 2 comma 11 by 2. Now let's talk about the diagonal BD, which we need to find out. B, D. D we need to find out. Coordinates we have taken as xd comma yd. So B is 6 comma 6. And now we know that the coordinates of the point P as well. Okay. So x coordinate of the point P 7 by 2 is equal to 6 plus xd by 2. This to this got cancelled. You will get xd is equal to 1. Similarly, 11 by 2 is equal to y coordinate we need to add 6 plus yd by 2. So we'll be getting yd is equal to 11 minus 6, which is equal to 5. So the coordinates of point D will be 1 comma 5. Option B will be your correct answer. Okay? So from here, guys, remember this thing. Whenever 3 coordinates of a parallelogram is given and they are asking you to find out the fourth parallelogram, what we'll do, we'll use the property diagonals bisect each other. This is the easiest way to solve it. Otherwise, if you make AB equal to CD, AD equal to BC, it is going to be a difficult equations for you to solve. Difficult equations for you to solve. Difficult हो जाएगा equation solve करना. ठीक है, it will be difficult. Best way is what? Make AB equal to CD and AD equal to BC. ठीक है? Clear, guys? Easy. All right. So with this, guys, we have finished this session of yours as well. I'm giving you a homework question. So the point, this, and this are the vertices of a what? Is it a triangle or is it a straight line? And if it is a triangle, what kind of triangle is it? Alright, that's what I want you to answer this. Okay, bachcho? ठीक है? So this is all in today's class. Next session tomorrow, same place, same time. We'll be talking about introduction to trigonometry. So do not miss out on that. And also for any kind of help, guys, definitely go for the link which is mentioned in the description box of this video. And GPE Pro is your code to get 10% off. Right? All right. So bachcha party, this is all from my side. Dekho the courses. There is one course, Term 1 crash course. Really good course right now. The prices for Pro Lite is just 2,700 after applying GPE Pro, and for Pro Classic it is 3,150. And in this you get extra feature which is Vedantu's doubt solving app. So you can ask unlimited doubt solving app as well. Okay, bachcho. So this is all from my side. Thank you so much, and I'll see you soon. Please don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, guys, and subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Thank you so much. I'll see you soon. Bye bye. Sayonara. Khuda Hafiz to all of you. Bye bye.